Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Carnival moves to October. 2 days after Carnival brands announced that Carnival season was in full execution mode, news broke this morning that Carnival 2020 has been pushed back to October. The announcement was made by Chairman of the Entertainment Committee, Kamal Banki, at a press conference held at the Ministry of Tourism this morning.
The decision to postpone this event, that is ultimately 5 weeks away, is an imperative one because the revelers that have committed to coming to our island need to know immediately that we are taking steps to protect them and protect the safety of our citizens ultimately.
Banki also explained that the decision to move Carnival to later this year was to mitigate against an economic fallout in Jamaica.
A decision to cancel Carnival for 2020 would see us actually forego all potential economic injections across all of these sectors that Carnival brings to our country annually, especially in a year when we need it most, i.e. in anticipation of any economic fallout as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. Our Carnival season has an economic impact in the billions, but by postponing the season and not cancelling, we can still fulfill our commitment to our revelers and provide the best Carnival experience in the Caribbean and keep our industry from crumbling under the weight of the significant economic pressures we will face as a nation. A most delicate balancing act.
In previous years, Jamaica's three Carnival bands have contributed approximately $2.2 billion to the economy. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching and please be safe.
E-Prime brought to you by